Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehboob Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Easiest Way to Learn Arabic. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about day names in Arabic, how to call Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday in Arabic. So let's start. Sunday, يوم الأحد, يوم الأحد. Monday, يوم الاثنين, يوم الاثنين. Tuesday, يوم الثلاثاء, يوم الثلاثاء. Wednesday, يوم الأربعاء, يوم الأربعاء. Thursday, يوم الخميس, يوم الخميس. Friday, يوم الجمعة, يوم الجمعة. Saturday, يوم السبت, يوم السبت. So let's repeat them. يوم الأحد, يوم الاثنين, يوم الثلاثاء, يوم الأربعاء, يوم الخميس, يوم الجمعة, يوم السبت. Thanks for watching my YouTube video, and please remember, make Arabic a part of your daily routine. It's absolutely free, no fees at all, no registration required. You just have to spend 10 to 15 minutes every day to unlock Arabic fluency. So please subscribe and share it with others on your WhatsApp, Facebook, and social media platforms. Thank you.